are highlighting the top health headlines of the week, and we're catching up with our friend, Dr. Syed Hussain of Trinity Health of New England. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Good morning to you. So,
morning.
With it, being the 4th of July weekend this week, let's go ahead and talk about 4th of July safety. We're going to start off with fireworks. Now, Doc, I have a story. When I was younger, I was playing with sparklers, and I had sandals on. The sparklers went into my foot. I still have the scar on my foot.
Because I was going to mention, Symphony, you can actually get 2nd or 3rd degree burns from those sparks, because sparklers can burn up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit.
Oh my
That's
gosh.
as high to burn metal, actually, to melt metal. So great point, sparklers. Please make sure kids stay away from them. It's very tempting. Kids love it. We understand. Please make sure that you keep a safe distance as an adult from sparklers as well. Any kind of unlit fireworks or fireworks that you tried to ignite didn't go off, please don't try to play around with them. Just use water for any unlit fireworks. Make sure children stay away. Make sure there's no alcohol or drugs involved, especially because that can, hinder judgment when operating fireworks. May cause an injury or a mishap, for instance.
Yeah. All right. Now, what are some of the other injuries that folks, may end up in the ER for?
So water. This is the season to be in the water, whether it's a pool or lake or ocean. So making sure you take precautions. If you're not a very good swimmer, making sure that you have adequate support, and for children in particular, have an adult supervise them at all times. Not an adult who's doing X, Y, and Z and supervision, solely supervising children. That's really, really important. Yeah. Again, like I said with fireworks, make sure alcohol and drugs are not involved. We see a large number of cases of drowning, for instance, do have alcohol intoxication. So, and if you're out in the ocean, make sure you're in the designated authorized area to swim. Do not go beyond that, because the water may be too deep, it may be too rocky, the ocean current may be too strong, so things to keep in mind. All
right, now the last one we want to talk about, food is a big component of the 4th of July holiday. You can't trust everyone's cooking. So what are some
I'm not going to comment on that.
I said it. What are some food safety tips to make sure everyone can enjoy the meal without getting sick?
So 4 important things you need to remember. Clean. Make sure you wash your hands with soap and water. Make sure you clean your utensils that you're going to use. Separate. So uncooked raw items from cooked items. Make sure there's no cross-contamination. Cook. Make sure you use a food thermometer. This is the season for burgers and hot dogs and fish, grilled fish. Make sure for burgers, for instance, 160 Fahrenheit. It may look brown from the outside, but it may not be all fully cooked in the inside. So things to keep in mind. And then chill. So keep things cool, because the temperature is going to be high. If it's more than 90 degrees, you're outdoors, not more than an hour. It needs to go back into something much cooler, 40 degrees or less. So things to keep in mind. Yes.
All right. Keep those safety tips in mind. You want everyone to have a good time.
Yes.
And to go home safely.
But safe. Yes.
Safely.
That's right.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us, Doc.
Thank you for having me.